In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to hide and unhide the Windows 11 taskbar here in PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start on hiding the taskbar in our Windows. So how we can do so, at the button search bar here, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, a best match would appear. Please click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So please wait until everything are set here before we proceed to our step. And once everything are ready, please navigate to the left pane of that. You can see there are a list of the option. Please locate for personalization. So under the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and locate with taskbar. So here under the taskbar settings, you need to scroll down again. Okay, and please navigate to the option called Taskbar Behaviors and click on this down arrow key to reveal all of the options under it. So you can see there taskbar alignment and the next option, which is automatically hide the taskbar. So this is what we are looking for, because in order to hide the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to check it, and in that way you have just successfully hide the taskbar in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you will close your settings, you can, can no longer see your Windows 11 taskbar, which is originally here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. On the contrary, if you would like to unhide the taskbar, all you need to do is you need to make a right click here at the desktop screen and go with the option called personalize. So tap on it, and in that way, you would be able to bring up or you would be navigated to the personalization settings. And from here, please scroll down and locate with taskbar. So here at the taskbar, please navigate the same option, and that is to go with taskbar behaviors. And the one that we have enabled earlier, we need to uncheck it or disable it. And in that way, we have just successfully unhide the taskbar in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.